Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Autumn Bliss. I am feeling myself today because of this hair, girl. This hair. So welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Autumn Bliss. Happy New Year's, first of all. Happy New Year. This is 2023. Big things happening this year. In today's video, I will be reviewing a unit from Unice hair. Also, I will be showing you how I installed this unit over my lock. Have on now. It is super cute. So if you like everything fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, remember to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever your girl posts a new video. Continue watching so you can see how your girl installed this unit. This is a 20-inch wig, pre-plucked, out the box, minimum shedding. It has a comb in the back, combs on the side, and yes, this is super cute. I can't wait to put this on. So let me put this to the side. Actually, should I do my foundation? I'll be back. I'm gonna put the foundation on the lace, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I installed this with LOCS. Okay, I'm back. So this is how the lace looks now that I put some foundation. Hey you guys, it is installing time. It's time for me to install this wig over my locks. So the first thing I do is make sure that my hair is laid and going towards the back. I use 2 wig caps for this method. The caps are not tight. They're super comfortable, but at the same time, they get my hair flat just the way I want it. Look how flat this is, ladies. Look how flat. Let's get into this unit. So now that the wig is on, I'm just adjusting it to my liking. If I didn't mention it from the beginning, this lace is a 13x4. Also, this wig is a great fit. And I'm gonna start using my bonding spray. I think I did like 3 layers so it can be nice and tacky. Now I'm just using a rat tail comb and just combing and pressing. And I'm going back in with some of that spray so I can make sure my lace is laid. Now thank you Unice for supplying this elastic wig band. Now I'm using my wax stick, just molding down those flyaways. Oh, you scared me. Oh, you scared me. Jesus. He's at the bed. What's up, B? Jesus, you just coming in here tiptoeing? Scared the crap out of me. Okay, so now I'm just applying some heat protector. I was gonna put some curls in it, but I like it straight. Now I'm just cutting that extra lace off. You guys, I definitely love this hair. Let me know in the comments down below if you ordered from Unice before. Also, if you have locks, comment down below and let me know how you install your units. So this is the final look. I am in love with this hair. So in love with this hair, with this unit. Look how flat I got it. Look how flat my hair is. No lumps, nothing. This hair is super soft. It was easy to manage. It still has its kinky, you know, form, even though I put some heat to it, and I love it. minimum shedding. I love this hair. Super soft. It smells good. Easy to work with. Easy to install also. And girl. So I'm back. I know y'all noticed that lace. I should have cut some more off. That's my fault. But it's super cute. And I still like it. I use this technique all the time when installing my wigs. And I highly recommend, because girl, this is late. This is late. So I will see you guys next video. Remember to subscribe to my channel and turn that post notification bell on so you get notified whenever your girl posts a new video. Also follow me on all my social media platforms. And I will see you guys in my next video.